Hey there, this is a quick video from Optizen Video Upsell. In this tutorial, I'm just going to walk through and show you how quickly you can create videos for your upsell campaigns using our AI video generation feature. This is great if you want to get up and going really quickly, or you don't have videos in your inventory that you could use for upsells, so you don't need to go out and actually produce them yourselves. You can actually use our AI video generation option and get up and going really quickly. But you'll find the quality is really quite good anyway. Got a number of different options and features. We've got up to 1,200 voices, 1,200 avatars that you can actually use and integrate. So the options are pretty well limitless on what you want to create. And you can use these videos on any of the campaign types. So product page upsells, thank you pages, post-purchase, and everything else in between. So the first thing you'll need to do is come to create video upsell campaign, and you can choose whatever campaign type you wish. So in this example, we're going to choose product page video upsell and a bundle with current product. So we give it a name, and then here's where you would choose your video source. So if you had your own videos, this is where you could add your YouTube video, or any YouTube video for that matter. Vimeo, TikTok, you can upload your own video as a file from your local machine. But obviously in this case, we're going to choose generate AI video, and then we'll go to continue to the next step. So you've got some options here. You can generate a new video, or you can use an existing video. So if you clicked on use existing video, it brings up videos from your library that they've been previously created. So the video library, once you've created an AI video, you can save it to the library so you can use them again if you need to. But we're going to actually create a new video. So we'll search for the product that we wish for our upsell offer. So you type in your product, find the product you wish, and click on it. And then what that'll do is bring up the variants if the product has variants. And you can choose any of the variants, or you can choose all variants, and that's the default setting. We're just going to leave it as all variants for now. And we go to generate new AI video. So we've got our options here. You can see it pulls the product URL. So the way this works now, you can allow all the defaults to remain the same. You can click generate video and it'll use the defaults. Or obviously what we recommend is you provide some customization to the actual video setup. So give it a name. You can leave that optional, or you can add in the name just so you know what the video is about. Now you've got a custom prompt, which is optional. Again, if you leave that empty, what it will do is go away and use your product page, the URL, the title, the description, images, everything about the product, and it'll actually create the video for you. But always recommend that you provide at least some sort of input here, and it can be very simple, just like this. Create a product showcase video for the Cavalleria Toscana work socks, emphasize the comfort of the sock, also emphasize the discount, etc. So it can be very simple like this. We've also included no avatar, just voiceover. So that just emphasizes that we don't want an avatar in this particular example. We just want a voiceover and sort of a product showcase. But here we do have video styles. So I've got an avatar bubble. This is what you would use if you wanted an avatar or a person to actually show their face talking. Dynamic product. Each of these have a different style when you actually create the video. For this example, we're going to click feature highlight. We're going to leave it as portrait 916, and we're going to leave it as 15 seconds. Here you've got a number of voice options. So click on browse all voices, and in a second it'll pop up with your voice previews so you can listen to these. So we're going to choose Australian because it's an Australian product, and we can listen to some of these. So we'll listen to this one.
Hello and welcome. This is my voice and how I sound. Allow me to deliver your message using my unique tone to your audience.
So once you're happy with the voice that you want to use, you just click on it and it'll add the voice to the settings. Then if you want an avatar bubble or a talking head, you can choose the avatar bubbles, and you've got over 1,200 of these that you can choose from. And they will be customized to your actual video. But we're not going to have one for this particular example, so we're going to leave that empty. You've got some auto music selection, or you can choose some of these. We're just going to choose auto select music background. You can add the discount in now or after. We'll just add it in now. And then what you do is click generate video, and it'll actually generate the video in this placeholder here. So I'm just going to go ahead. It takes 30 or 40 seconds to create the video. I'll do that, and we'll come back once the video has been created. Okay, so our video has been created, and we'll play the video and make sure we're happy with it.
You know, I've honestly never had socks this comfy when I'm riding. Cavalleria Toscana work socks just fit right, and that heel padding saves my feet, seriously. Snag them now, they're 30% off, it won't last.
Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that. You can hear the accents spot on. The style of the video is what I asked for. If I wasn't happy with it, what you can do is you can go and adjust the prompts, and you can click regenerate video. Or if you're happy with it, you can save to library. Always recommend you save it to library, so then you can actually use it again in other campaigns if you wish. There's no need not to do that. If you don't save it, then that video you'll only have available in that one campaign. So that's how you create the videos. And then these videos can be used on any of the campaign types. You would just go through, continue the next step once the video is created to complete the campaign setup, as you've seen in some of our other videos. So a great way to get up and going quickly, engage your customers further. You can get really creative with how you actually use these videos in your video upsells. Thanks. We'll see you next time.